Hot hatch fans were disappointed when Renault axed plans to come out with a production version of the Clio RS16 concept. There's now a complete body kit available and it takes after the concept, but you'd better hurry up as only 250 will ever be offered. It is part of the new RS Performance product line that combines styling parts with performance components. The more aggressive body kit can be complemented by a set of Turini alloy wheels finished with either brilliant black or red. If you would rather have some actual hardware upgrades rather than these cosmetic tweaks, you'll be happy to hear Renault is offering carbon fiber bucket seats and an anti-strut bar. On-track performance can be enhanced with the addition of high-performance brakes and special suspension setup. These extras are derived from the exciting world of motorsport and are debuting on the Clio RS, which is on its way out considering the all-new Clio debut is scheduled to take place in the coming months. RS performance parts will gradually be launched on the Megane RS as well. Those willing to go all out can opt for workshop products including everything from a tool trolley to a garage jack, while a torque wrench is also in the offering. In addition, Renault Sport will sell you a tilting lift and even a limited edition paint spray. You won't be finding the Clio RS60's Megane-sourced engine on the list of upgrades, but these RS performance parts do a good job of spicing up the hot hatch.